Welcome to video 3 of how to use essential oils with kids safely. So we've talked about how essential oils can impact kids, safety considerations that need to be made when using essential oils, and now we're going to dive into some super fun and practical ways to use essential oils with kids. We believe that you should use essential oils with confidence and clarity, and our kids roll-on kit is the perfect way to start. In my last video, I showed you how to make 6 roll-ons with that kit, and now I'm going to show you a whole bunch of other fun ways to use essential oils with your kids using the oils from our kit. Essential oils are a great way to support your child's emotional and physical wellness. So here are some great ways to support their emotional wellness using the oils in this box. Tangerine essential oil is uplifting and energizing. It's a great oil to use with your child when they are feeling down or bored. Bumps and Boo Boos has a super calming aroma. It's great to help settle your little ones down. Cedarwood essential oil is a really calming oil and is great to help support your child's rest. I love using this oil before my kids' bedtime to help calm them down so that they can sleep better. Spearmint essential oil has a sharp, energizing scent that's great for when your child's doing homework or needs to focus. With those emotional benefits of the oils, here are some great ways to use them. The simplest way to use these oils for emotional benefits is in a diffuser. Add them to a diffuser to create the atmosphere to help support your child. You can also make room sprays or monster sprays with these oils. If your child is afraid of the dark or thinks there's monsters under their bed, take your spray bottle, fill it with water, add some drops of essential oil like Bumps and Boo Boos, and your child can spray away the monster. You can get your child an aromatherapy bracelet like one of these. You can apply the essential oil there and it can help support them while they're away from you, like at school, to help them focus or stay calm. And don't forget about the roll-ons you can make with this kit that we showed you in the last video. They can take those with them as well, keep them in their backpack or purse to be used as needed. Another great way to use these essential oils is in a bath to help your child feel energized or more calm. You can dilute the oil and create bath bombs or bath salts, and we've included a recipe for bath bombs in our cheat sheet. Along with supporting emotional wellness, you can support your child's physical wellness. All of these oils have great benefits to support your child's physical wellness as well. Tangerine essential oil is soothing to the muscular system. You can dilute it and apply it to aches and pains to help soothe them. It's also a great natural cleaner, so you can use it in your DIY cleaning recipes and know that that oil is going to be safe to be used around your kids. It can also help support digestion, so you can dilute it or use the roll-on we made and apply it to their abdomen to help support their digestion. Bumps and Boo Boos essential oils help support healing. So when your child has a bruise or a minor scrape, you can dilute this oil and apply it. Not only will this help this child feel more taken care of, it'll help support their body's natural healing system. Cedarwood essential oil can help support rest. If you have a child that struggles with sleep, diluting this essential oil and massaging their feet with it or using it in a diffuser before bedtime can make a really big difference. Spearmint essential oil is great when your child is feeling sick. I love to use it personally when I'm feeling nauseous, and it can help soothe headaches as well. Some practical ways to use these essential oils for physical wellness is through a massage, where you dilute the essential oil and then massage it to the affected area. You can create a steam. I love doing this when I have a cold. Cedarwood and tangerine are both great to help support respiration. Get a hot, steamy bowl of water, add 1 drop of essential oil to it, and then inhale deeply, and it can help you breathe easier. Using essential oils diluted with Epsom salt in a bath is a great way to help your child's muscular system recover after a tough athletic event or if they're feeling sore. Essential oils are also great for skincare. Tangerine can help improve the appearance of skin. Bumps and Boo Boos help support your body's natural healing. Cedarwood is soothing and can help ease irritation. Spearmint essential oil has a cooling effect when diluted and put on the skin, and it's also soothing. I love to use spearmint on minor bug bites to help soothe them for my kids. Here are some practical ways to use essential oils for skincare. You can dilute them and put them in our Simply Earth lotion base to help support dry skin. You can make your own lip balm using kid-safe oil. Your kids will love this. My girls love having their own lip balm and think it's so fun to pick their own essential oil for it. They'll love tangerine, and a lip balm. For teens and adolescents struggling with acne, spearmint and tangerine can help keep your child's skin clear and soothe irritation. Another way to use these oils is through sensory activities. There's a lot of fun sensory activities you can use with essential oils, and we've shared recipes for each of these things in our cheat sheet. You can create your own scented bubbles, rainbow sensory beans, where you color dried beans and add essential oils to them to create a really calming effect. You can even make your own slime or Play-Doh using essential oils. And your child will love squeezing a scented stress ball when they're feeling stressed. Thanks for watching this 3-part video series on how to use essential oils with kids safely. I hope some of these ideas have stood out to you, and I can't wait to see what you do with our Kids Roll-On Kit. If you're ready to use essential oils with confidence and clarity, check out your Kids Roll-On Kit today.